welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be all about this hair, all about human hair crochet hair, because this is the second time I'm doing human hair crochet hair, and it's my thing now. Like, I'm literally thinking about doing this for the rest of the year. I'm not even joking. It's just so easy. But before we get into this video, if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and follow my channel. I do all things lifestyle, beauty, obviously hair, a little bit of finance, and all of the things. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But let's get into this hair. I'm gonna do a really quick tutorial on how I did this hair. I'm also gonna show y'all the last one that I did. This hair is from Aeon Hair or Eon Hair. I'll put all the information down in the description box below. And I also have a discount code for y'all, so I'll put that down as well. But yes, guys, I have been loving human hair crochet. Like, I feel like crochet has leveled up. Crochet has gone to college, gone to Harvard, graduated with masters, graduated with summa cum laude. Like, this is not the crochet from 2016, 2017. This is some like grown-up crochet, and I just love it. It blends so well with my hair. It's so light, and literally all I need to do when I wake up in the morning is just spray a little bit of water. If I want, I can spray like a leave-in conditioner or like a curling type of mousse, and that's it. That's all. Honestly, all I do is water because it does the job for me. I did frame it a little bit. I do want to cut it a little bit more. I see some pieces that like I feel like would shape the hair a little bit more, but all in all, this hair is super easy to do, and it's super easy to take care of. The last one I did, I had for over a month, y'all, which we'll get into what happened with that. But yeah, I took the lessons that I learned from doing the first time and obviously applied it the second time doing this hair, and I feel like I'm gonna keep this on my hair for at least a month. This is gonna be my birthday hair. My birthday is in like 3 weeks, and I think this is gonna be it. So anyways, let's get into the tutorial. So today I'm doing my hair. I'm not refreshing, but basically taking out this crochet hairstyle that I've had for quite a while. I'm gonna be swapping it out with some new crochet hair that I got. Again, human hair crochet. I went to Sally's, picked up a few things because I'm going to be bleaching this hair and kind of making, I would say, like a highlighted balayage whatever hairstyle on it. So I'm gonna try and record everything and take y'all along the process. But first I have to take this out. I did consider taking the whole thing out and doing my braid again, but I don't have time for that. Also, this is for a brand trip that I'm taking in 2 days. So again, I have a lot of stuff to do to catch up on, so I don't have time to do the whole braid pattern again. This time around, I'm going to be putting crochet hair all over, not just in the back. So let's go. Y'all, this hair has, oh my goodness, this hair has lasted. When I say lasted, I mean last. Like, I have put this hair through the ringer and it is still holding on. It's the same brand, the Eon company, just a different hair texture, or different curl pattern, I should say. And then also, I also bleached this one, or lightened it, I would say. But yeah, it has held up so nicely, y'all. I'm honestly impressed. This is my new go-to style, protective style of 2025, human hair crochet. If you haven't tried it, get on it, like, for real. It's just so easy to take care of, so easy to just wake up in the morning and just go. Honestly, I haven't been even sleeping with on it, as you can see, for the past like week, and somehow it's still held together. This is what the hair looks like. You see, I just pulled one out. I'm taking it down. As you can see, it's not that hard to take down, and you can reuse this hair. That's what I love about this. You can reuse it. So I'm gonna be keeping this for as long as it'll last. All you have to do is just wash it and you're good to go. Y'all, this is the second day. Never again will I put myself through what I went through taking down these crochet braids. Never again. So I'm working smarter this time. I got me a net, and I'm just gonna basically sew it down throughout my hair. And yeah, I'm gonna make like a fake net, I'm gonna make like a wig cap basically with this net. And then I'm going to crochet the hair on the net and not my hair, because when I say my hair was a tangled mess, yo, it would have been a lot easier if I wasn't trying to keep the hair to reuse at a later time. But I was trying to keep the hair because it's human hair, so it's, you know, it's reusable. But after a while, I think when I got to like the last couple on this section, I just started cutting it off because I was through. It took me 3 hours, y'all. 3 hours. You would think I was taking down braids. Anyways, as you can see, anyways, as you can see, I redid the back. I took out nothing special, but I took out the braids. Initially, I was just gonna keep the braids and take jokes on me. I was just gonna leave like the whole braiding pattern the same and just take out the crochet hair. But I quickly realized that was literally impossible. I had to take out the braids in order to take the crochet hair out, just because of how like tangled it was in my hair. Mind you, I have had this hair, especially the back part, in my hair for over a month. So that's probably why. If it's not in for that long, I don't think I would have had that much of an issue. I put the net around my hair like so. There's probably an easy way to do this. This is my first time sewing net to my hair, so just bear with me. But I put a bobby pin just to keep it in place, and I'm about to cut the top so that it fits. Again, I'm kind of creating my own wig cap. I did buy some other ones, but I feel like as far as the thickness and the durability of the net, this is probably my best bet from what I saw in the beauty supply store. This one feels like it's gonna be too stretchy, and then also the band, I don't really like that. So anyways, that's why I'm making my own little wig cap. And you know, I really am just winging this, so if this doesn't come out well, you probably won't even see it. So let's just assume this is gonna come out well. Okay, I am gonna start with the front because I wanna make sure that's like the most important part, I feel like, when it comes to crochet. I'm gonna start with the front and then I'm going to work my way back. As you can see, I already did one little tester just to see how it held up on the net. So let's get it started. And now that I have a net on, I can actually double the crochet, because last time I did it like 1 by 1 and it took forever. So this time around, I'm gonna double some pieces. In the back, I might even triple them because I do want it to be pretty full. I don't mind too much actually getting the crochet in the braids in the front, because it's a little bit easier to get it like detangle out when it's in the front of the cornrows as opposed to the middle or the back. So I might actually crochet it into my hair in some places. One thing I really like about this net is I was a little bit worried about this section. You see, there's not really much to grab onto, but because I have the net, I can crochet it to the net here. So let's go. I'm thinking I might go ahead and tease it as I go, just so I can see what it's looking like. All right, I want to try something out, because although this looks like it might work as far as blending with my hair, I'm gonna try and use some of the, this is like kinky twist hair. I'm just gonna crochet it in like right in the front parts so that so let me explain this a little bit better. If I do want to like put it up, I want to make sure that it blends, it looks like. There we go. Okay, perfect. So now this side, this little part is covered some more. So now when it kind of looks crazy now because the hair is not finished, but you get the general idea, right? Y'all get the general idea? So I'm gonna do this part. I might actually go get darker hair because I feel like this might be a little too light. Gonna get light darker hair, do it all on this side, and then finish the crochet, and I'll be back. As you can see, the hair is all done. I did shape it a bit, like I cut a little bit of layers. I feel like I need to do some more. Actually, I kind of was in a rush because I'm here in San Antonio with Sally Hansen for Ulta Beauty World. That's why I did this hair, by the way. And yeah, I really like it. It's been so easy to take care of. Like, this is day 2 or day 3, I can't remember. But yeah, the blend ended up working out pretty well. And the curls, I didn't realize this hair was gonna be kind of like, it almost looks like kinky-ish texture, but it's not actually. It's just that the curl pattern is quite tight, but I really like it because it's very, very light, very, very flowy. Get into it. And the color, do y'all see this color? It came out. So the only thing I think I would have liked is if the bottom was a little bit lighter, but besides that, I did my big one on this color for sure. But this is the back. Again, I feel like I need to shape it a little bit more, like just like right here I need to cut. Like I'm just seeing areas that I want to cut to make it kind of frame my face a little bit better. But so far so good, y'all. I've gotten so many compliments on this hair. Like, you can't tell me this hair is not mine. You can't. Like, you can't tell me. Anyways, that's it, y'all.